or you someone money for a trading bot and the trading bot disappointed. So right now I'm logged into this XNS account. This is a real XNS account. You can see here XNS real at the top of the screen here. It's a real account, and this is a very tiny account. This is $100 account. So I'm going to show you how to get a free trading robot on this account. So to do that, what you have to do right now to come here is to come at the bottom of your screen after logging into your XNS account. You first of all log into your MetaTrader 5 with whatever broker that you're using. I'm using XNS. So after logging in, what you do is come to the bottom of the screen right here. At the bottom of the screen right here, what we are looking for is markets. All right, what we are looking for is markets. So I don't even see it right now. Okay, if you don't see it, then you come to this place. You see MQL5 community, right? You see this small head at the top of this place. Yeah, you see this small head there. If you click on that, then you log into the market. But I've seen the market. Here's the market. You see, here's the market. So you click on the market. Now, if you don't already have an account, you'll be asked to register. All right. If you don't have an account, you'll be asked to register. So once you register, you get access into the MQL5 market where you get trading robots like this. All these trading robots that you can see right here. So what we want to do right now is to search the market for free robots because you can see $1,800, 800. We don't have money to buy all these things. So what we need is a free robot and a good robot. So you go to experts like this, you come to most rated, you come down and you see free. All right. So all these that you're seeing right now are free robots. Everything that you're seeing here is a free robot. Everything that you're seeing here is a free robot. If you want to go to the next screen, you go like this. Everything here is a free robot. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, but it's up to you. But there's this particular robot that I want to use that I've used before, and if you don't know it, it's difficult for you to find it. So that's the MA Trader for MT5. So that's what I need. I'm going to search for it. MA Trader. So this is it. MA Trader. It's a free robot. So when you come here, you click on it. Now, you make sure that you read the instructions here so that you don't go and blow your account, all right? You can see, unfortunately, someone did like, okay, you can see optimize for XAUSD M1. So make sure that your time frame is set at 1 minute. And recommended setup, use a 0.000 lots on a 200 pound standard account or a standard account with 20,000 pounds. All right. So it has to be cent account. If you're using just 200 pounds, it has to be a cent account. But if you're using a standard account, then it has to be 20,000 pounds and 2,000 for safe trading for the leverage. So it's so that you have much space and much gap to trade with. So right now I don't have any of that, and make sure that you read this. The developer recommends that you use RoboForex and KXTL, the partner code for this. Just read the whole instruction so that you know exactly what you're doing. But for me right now, I'm going to plug this bot on this $100 account because I've used it. That doesn't mean it can't blow your account. If market goes against you, it can blow your account. But anyway, it's all part of trading. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to download it here. Click on the download button right here, right now. Click on the download button. Now you can see it's downloading. Now they'll ask you, do you want to enable VPS so that if your laptop is off, it will be trading? I don't have money for VPS, so I'm not going to do that. So once you come to the bottom of the screen, you're going to see your download. Um, yeah. Okay. So if you look to the right of the screen right here, if you look to the left, sorry, if you look to the left, you can see that the bot is downloaded already. So we want to go back to our chart so that I can install this robot to the chart and so that it will start trading. So you can see my chart right here. This is the gold chart. You can see the MA trader here. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it. That's one way to do it. Another way to